so you can say something and record it.
Say something and record it.
Hey everybody, it's Bobby again. The rain is still coming down, but it changed to snow now. I'm going to give you all a picture of that in a minute. Here's my beautiful mother. She wants to say hi to you guys.
Oh yeah, I'm absolutely gorgeous. I feel like shit today, but I took a nap and I woke up and I saw Winter Wonderland outside, and it's absolutely beautiful.
Here goes the beautiful snow. Well, there you go, everybody. Beautiful Winter Wonderland out there.
Enjoy the view, people. Love yous. Bye.